fun noobsters, I gave
Think this is your time.
Hello fun noobsters, welcome back to another video and a new camera angle. You know what this video is about. If you're title, if you don't, why'd you click the title? But today's video is about a PC case unboxing, and also if the audio is pretty bad, I don't have like a portable microphone, my regular microphone, but I'm just increasing the gain, the power that my projectile high pitch voice makes it to the microphone. You guys can hear it, at least hear what I'm saying. But why I'm doing a unboxing of the video, not a whole unboxing and review, because this is probably a video to see if you're in this case about this. Now, at least in English, I think. As of recording this, I'm pretty sure I'm the only person that's made a unboxing or review almost any of this case, other than the actual couple. Show it off, but no actual unboxing, reviews, anything like that. I'll tell you what case this is. As you can see, and DIYPC Vanguard V8 RGB. Now, was a DIYPC Vanguard RGB, not a V8 RGB. A V8, that's guessing our engine be cool or something. I don't know, but I've seen a lot of reviews / unboxings of Vanguard RGB, not of the Vanguard V8, which I think it released within the last but basically I've already opened the thing. Nothing else missed. I opened it, but basically comes with pretty dang good packaging. You get 2 thick foam pieces, not too hard, not too soft. It's like the right amount. It's like you can push into a little bit, but it's not too stiff, so it carry vibrations too much. And right here, get a little softer foam piece for the side glass panel. Important because tempered glass, lots of issues and cracked. If you watch Techia's City by chance and you see his cheap build guide or something, he used the Matrix 55, which was a very big competitor for me. Might have gone with that if I didn't see this baby, but side panel got cracked on his, and that's why you need protection. Basically, I'm gonna show you what the unboxing is like, and I mean, if I'm watching a case unboxing or you just don't know how to open a case box, I guess I'll go through. Basically, what you want to do is open it up like normal. This is not the normal layout. Plastic piece on top of it. I took it off just for the video. But basically, all you want to do is put it on its side, and put it over once more. Right? You want to take it from the handles on the side. If you can. Can't, it's alright, just get somewhere good. And then just kind of shake it out. Now, you did hear a large thud. I hope that's okay. But it's not okay normally. No, you just take it out, slide it out. Got your box. You got the foam pieces. Don't mind the broken piece. I broke that. But you got the foam piece. Got your angled up instructions. Again, I took these out. Read it. Really bad instructions, but if you're at least semi-intelligent computers, you don't really need this. Throw it away. Got another foam piece, which is on the other side, and then you got the stuff for the side panel. It's just like some foaming. As you can see, it's on its bottom. Just flip it up over, and now Now, this is a very big boy. Covered in but I-dubs. But yeah, you got your case. Pretty dang good. Okay, let me rephrase it. It's about a penny. For me, I wanted a custom water cooled. I wanted good airflow, but I also wanted some RGB functionality. And I also wanted a tempered glass side panel. And if you can hear this, I'm not sure. That's glass. Here, real glass. And this is a really, it's not large, larger than you would think. Now, some cool features I instantly found out while unpacking. This has a magnetic top, magnets here on the sides, and this just pops on. And another cool thing, this has some pretty premium like filter versions. Now the filters aren't premium. This is what you get from just like, you know, buying it decently cheap. About an $80 to $100 case. I got mine on sale for $80, but this comes with a real like a real feature. Usually found out like more expensive. You can just slide them on. Something that you have to like take off, and then it's nice. Slide it out, slide it in. It's of decent quality. This doesn't feel like you can puncture it like extremely easy. And being that it's magnetic, instead of being like plastic clipped and then probably sticking with that. Perfect. I don't know how well you can see this. Light will show this a little better for you guys. But you have two USB 2. You have an RGB header, RGB button. You have your headphone microphone, power, nice large power with pretty good buttons on them. LED and reset are not as good. Alright, the reset's right next to the power. Have your hard drive indicator light, which then you have two USB 2 ports. Then you have extra port empty. You can put in whatever you want. Here it looks like it's supposed to be a fan control, like high-low fan control. It seems they left out that. I don't think they were like, oh, we're gonna put it in, but maybe it didn't fit the budget. And as you can see, it's a very mean aesthetic. Very beautiful case, honestly. I'm gonna put it a little farther down for you. But as you can see, this is not a small. This is like quite thick, like, and it's like longer than my arm. This way. I'm just showing you. It's not that small, but it's not that large. Now another cool thing which I kind of like, which will help some of y'all, comes with back perforation. If you have an air-cooled system, you could put fans on the side, not on the outside, but on the inside, and you can get some air in for air-cooled, normal cooled computers. And have this beautiful tempered glass, which is not too dim, darkened. Plastic wrap is still on here. And the process for taking this off is the thumb screw off real quick, and then there's some of these like little tabs on the where the thumb screws go normally, and like rubber grommet things. They're there, and they have a good size. But this is very spacious. Like, this is very spacious compared to my current case. And it comes with not 3, 4 RGB fans. Now, just real quick, I don't know what's up right now, but I cannot get green. Did contact support. They said it's possibly bad RGB controller, but this is again really nice looking case. At $80, I really hit home for everything I wanted. It doesn't have that cheap look Express slots where it's out. It's actually a little indented, which I actually really prefer. It does not have a PSU container, like pop-up container. That's fine for me. When it comes to the filter on the bottom, and I don't know if the front has a filter. Pretty sure it does, but I don't know how. I haven't really tried. But this comes pretty good PCI bracket slots. These aren't the crap that you push in. You can, and you get. Then your back panel is just metal, as I showed. Perforations for air, and these. When you get this, the screws are in pretty dang. They're not as tight right now. And back as you can see here, the RGB. The only reason I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with it. You can see here's your RGB. Probably can't. Here in your very smart hard drive page is your your box of stuff. Screws, your everything. Could be your screws and an actual PC speaker. Comes on most, if not all, other boards automatically, but it's a choice box. I possibly probably best, not favorite, but one of the nice cool. This the hard drive. There is screws, but to put in the hard drive, you don't have to slide it in and scratch or something. Have issues. Just open it. That one little. What I mean, put it in, down, and tighten it in. This is amazing. Good. Got holes for hard drive for SSDs. Have one, and really good there. So let me put this back in. Pretty dang. RGB header is powered by Molex. And you just have your normal cables. Now it does look like a lot of cables, but you gotta remember the RGB header. 2 RGB strips in the front. It's very small. You have your 4 fans. You gotta keep that in mind. Cables. You got your basic cables here, your switch, your audio 3.0. That's pretty much it, and you got good length on. And yeah, pretty much it. Sooner or later, when my build comes out, my custom loop build, I will be building sooner or later. I will give my honest review for it. And yeah. If you like this video, remember, give it a thumbs, give it a like, subscribe, comment. If you like the face, if you like a certain feature that you thought was pretty nifty, let me know in the comments. Yeah. Okay, cheers.